Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is another Amazon Prime unboxing do, courtesy of VIVIBRIGHT. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Wednesday. Now we have here is a projector. And you can hook up tablets, smartphones, laptops, game consoles, Fire Stick, Chromecast, Roku, Apple TV, digital cameras, Blu-ray, DVD, cable box. There we go. Here's the back USB port. You got two of them. HDMI, audio, IR receiver. Sweet. Can't wait for this one. Once this goes up, I guarantee these will be selling out fast because they got a heck of a deal going on right now. Here's all the good stuff. Chip is the V56. Projection is LCD, LED, LCD panel, full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels. I think this is up to 155 inch. This goes up to, so perfect for gaming, movies, sporting events. Full HD, 4200 lumens, up to 120. LED is 50,000 hours. So this thing will last you. Got a sweet design up here. So now we're about to get inside. And like I said, I'll be doing a full setup and everything down in my basement once I get this out of the box and show you guys some stuff on it. So thank you guys again. And like I said, you guys could get one at a low cost, and like these will sell out. It's always good to have a backup projector. And you don't need no screens for this. I'll show you once I get it set up. Alright, there we go. Bada boom. Put that right there. Got the bag of goodies in here. Alright, alright. We got the power cable. Boom. We got the wipe to clean up the lens. And nice remote right here. Typical same one. Kind of like the Fire Sticks. I don't need to take it out of the bag yet until I go downstairs. And that's it, the manual. We don't need it. Pull this thing out. Oh yes. Here we go. Here she comes. Cut the bag open. There we go. Oh, look at that. Kind of like a Mercedes-Benz logo. This is a Benzo. Here we go. Boom. Alright. Well, here's the front. There's where it shoots out. Lens there. The bright full HD. Oh, you can adjust them on the sides. Excuse me. Here we go. Whoa. We got the two USB ports. HDMI. SPDIF. IR right there, the sensor. Headphone jack. Power on and off. We got the menu. Basically up, down, play, power off. Reverse. I forgot what that was. This is a nice color. I do believe this one lights up in the middle. It's pretty heavy. Kind of feels like an Xbox 360 or 1X. 1X. Yeah. There we go. So I'm gonna go downstairs, set this up, be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the round 2. We got it set up on the wall. Kind of looks like I have it flush mounted in. So really cool setup so far. I'm liking this nice little green glow to it. When it's off, it'll have a nice red to it. And it's pretty quiet so far, you can tell. For a projector this powerful. And like I said, these will be selling out, so you guys might want to add a couple for yourselves for Christmas gifts. But Brought the PS4 down here. So this is definitely a nice one for gaming and movies. Like I said, got the controller set up. Make sure you have your AAA batteries. There we go. So we got 3. I'm not sure what that does. We'll find out soon enough. And we got the standard menu. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. We got color temp. That sounds about right. Scroll down easy. And go back to the menu. There's the, I think, Blu-ray or DVD, music, your photos. Where is switch? Maybe it's this one. Oh, okay, that is number 3 is the USBs, which are located down there. I got the HDMI for the PlayStation. So this. Oh boy, yeah, I had to turn it off from upstairs. I wasn't expecting to get this fast, but they do fast ship. I'm gonna turn the lights off. Give me 1 sec. Alrighty, here we go. Sounds amazing. Nice, clean. Definitely like in the movie theaters. This is What Remains of Edith Finch. Whoa. Holy smokes. I'm gonna watch this for a few. Nice quality. It's gonna be quiet. We'll just listen. I'm supposed to do something. Oops. Kind of hard doing it one hand. Hold on 1 sec. Okay. Let's get into it.
A lot of this isn't going to make sense to you, and I'm sorry about that. I'm just going to start at the beginning, with the house.
Oh boy, here we go. Okay, this is me moving.
I lived here until I was 11, but I wasn't allowed inside half the rooms.
Dang, look at that. Play some Red Dead. I'm about to try Rage 2. I'll be doing that. I'll post a video on
I
Instagram.
hadn't been back since my brother Lewis's funeral.
I'll do an Instagram video of the Rage 2 on this projector later on tonight.
My mother left me a key but didn't tell me what it unlocked.
Uh-oh.
Maybe she thought I'd know. Or she thought the mystery would be enough to bring me back.
It's still kind of light out, so look at that, man. That is insane. Call of Duty would be sweet on this.
Even after I inherited the house, I never thought I'd come back to it.
Whoa.
But now I had questions about my family that only the house knew the answers to. The woods around the house have always been uncomfortably silent. As if they're about to say something but never do.
This is crazy. Yep, this is definitely my gaming projector now. Can't wait for nighttime for sure. Is that a house? Whoa.
The house was exactly like I remembered it, the way I'd been dreaming about it. As a child, the house made me uncomfortable in a way I couldn't put into words. Now, as a 17-year-old, I knew exactly what those words were. I was afraid of the house.
I guess I would be too. Shoot. Oh boy. Something freaky's gonna pop out, man.
I hoped the key might unlock the front door. It
Oh,
didn't.
shoot. Kick it in. Do something. Uh-oh.
Looking in, I felt like the house itself had been waiting for me.
Yeeks. Kind of scared, guys. But definitely check out VIVIBRIGHT on AmazonPrime.com. Links are going to be down below. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter now because I think it's over 11 minutes. But definitely check it out. Look at this quality. Look at that. Awesome, awesome projector. Boom. This is the F40 model. F40, I do believe. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But I think it's F40 last time I checked. So, but they'll be in the description. Click the link and add it to your cart. Have a good day, be safe, and see you guys soon.